In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight on PowerPoint 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add clean, readable highlights to text, so your key points stand out, whether you're using PowerPoint on the web or the desktop app. First, open your web browser and search for PowerPoint. Click through to the official Microsoft PowerPoint site or open the PowerPoint app if you have it installed. If you're using the web version, you'll be taken to a dashboard with your recent files. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account so you can access your presentations. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your credentials and complete any verification steps. Once you're in, give PowerPoint a moment to load your recent documents and folders. Next, click on the presentation you want to edit. You can choose one from your recent files or navigate to your cloud drive to find it. If it opens in Reading View, switch to editing mode so you can make changes. Wait for the toolbar and the ribbon to fully load before moving on. Now select the text you want to highlight. Click inside the text box, then drag across the word, sentence, or paragraph. If you want to highlight everything in a single text box, click inside it and use a select all command or drag from start to finish. If your text is small, zoom in a bit so you can select precisely without grabbing extra elements. With your text selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Look for the highlighter icon in the font section. It typically looks like a small marker with a colored underline. Don't confuse it with text fill or shape fill. Those change the color of the characters or the box, not the highlight behind the text. Click the small arrow next to the highlighter icon to open the color palette. Choose the highlight color you want, and PowerPoint will apply it immediately to the selected text. If you change your mind, reselect the text and pick a different color, or choose no color to remove the highlight. For readability, bright yellow or light pastels work well, and for accessibility, make sure your highlight color contrasts with both the text and the slide background so it stays easy to read during presentations. That's it. Search PowerPoint, sign in, open your file, select the text, find the highlighter on the Home tab, and choose your color. Your changes save automatically in the web version, and on desktop you can press Ctrl+S. Thanks for watching and happy presenting!